Are you tired of boring, unhealthy breakfast options? What if I told you that you could eat delicious breakfast foods that actually protect your heart? Well, today I'm going to show you how the Mediterranean diet can transform your morning routine and your heart health. Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today we're diving into 8 amazing Mediterranean breakfast ideas that are not just mouth-watering but scientifically proven to boost your heart health. Did you know that following a Mediterranean diet can reduce your risk of major cardiovascular events by about 30%? That's pretty impressive. First, let's quickly understand why Mediterranean breakfasts are so good for your heart. The Mediterranean diet focuses on whole, unprocessed foods rich in plants, olive oil, and healthy proteins. It's packed with ingredients that fight inflammation and protect your heart, making it one of the most recommended dietary patterns by health experts worldwide. Let me walk you through my favorite Mediterranean breakfast options. First up is the Greek yogurt berry bowl with walnuts. This is a powerhouse breakfast that takes just 5 minutes to prepare. You start with protein-rich Greek yogurt, add a generous handful of antioxidant-packed berries, and top it with omega-3 rich walnuts. The combination isn't just delicious, it's scientifically proven to help reduce blood pressure and improve blood vessel function. Next, let's talk about the Mediterranean vegetable frittata. This is perfect for those who love a savory breakfast. Packed with spinach, tomatoes, and bell peppers, it's a nutrient-dense meal that keeps you satisfied for hours. The eggs provide high-quality protein, while the vegetables deliver essential vitamins and minerals. And don't forget the olive oil, its heart protective properties are well documented. Third on our list is overnight oats with figs and almonds. This is a game changer for busy mornings. Studies show that regular consumption of whole oats can significantly lower cholesterol levels. The combination of oats, figs, and almonds creates a perfect balance of fiber, healthy fats, and natural sweetness. Number 4 is the classic avocado toast with a Mediterranean twist. We use whole grain bread as the base, top it with creamy avocado, and add cherry tomatoes and olive oil. Research shows that replacing saturated fats with avocado's healthy fats can help lower bad cholesterol. For a protein-packed option, try the Mediterranean breakfast bowl with hummus and eggs. This savory bowl combines protein-rich eggs with fiber-packed hummus and fresh vegetables. It's not just delicious, studies show that eating pulses like chickpeas can help lower cholesterol levels. The 6th option is our Mediterranean breakfast wrap. This portable meal combines whole grains, vegetables, eggs, and feta cheese. It's perfect for busy mornings and provides sustained energy throughout the day. Number 7 is the Mediterranean smoothie bowl. This refreshing option blends Greek yogurt with berries and is topped with figs and pistachios. Research shows that nuts like pistachios can help lower cholesterol and reduce heart disease risk. Finally, don't miss out on shakshuka eggs poached in a flavorful tomato sauce. This North African dish has become a Mediterranean breakfast staple, and for good reason. The tomatoes are rich in lycopene, which has been linked to reduced cardiovascular disease risk. Here are some pro tips for making these breakfasts even more heart healthy. Always use extra virgin olive oil, it's the highest quality and contains the most beneficial compounds. Choose whole grain breads and cereals over refined options. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Add nuts and seeds for extra heart protective benefits. The best part? These breakfasts are incredibly versatile. You can mix and match ingredients based on what's available and what you enjoy. The key is sticking to the Mediterranean principles: plenty of plants, healthy fats, and whole foods. Remember, supporting your heart health doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. These Mediterranean breakfasts prove that healthy eating can be both delicious and satisfying. Which of these breakfast ideas are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy eating tips and recipes. Until next time, here's to your heart health.